Want to learn Python but feel overwhelmed? This beginner-friendly guide breaks everything down into simple, actionable steps. Let's start your coding journey today. Python is the world's easiest programming language. It reads like English, making it perfect for beginners. Fortune 500 companies use it. Data scientists love it. You'll build real projects within days, not months. No confusing symbols or complex rules, just clear, logical code. Start with variables. Think of them as labeled boxes storing information. Then learn data types, numbers, text lists, master loops to repeat actions automatically. Understand conditionals. This happens, do that. Functions let you reuse code blocks. This 5 fundamentals unlock ADP alone won't stick. WeK alone won't stick. The sign fundamentals unlock ADP alone won't stick. Practice by building a calculator, a to-do list, a simple game. Start tiny, add 2 numbers. Progress gradually, sort a list. Each problem reinforces concepts. We've included 50 practice questions from basic to intermediate, with solutions explained step by step. Install Python today. It's free. Download our complete notes and practice questions. Code along with examples. Don't just watch, actually type the code, make mistakes. That's how learning happens. Within 2 weeks of consistent practice, you'll feel genuinely confident. Hit that subscribe button for weekly IN Python tutorials. Like this video, comment your first Python project idea, and let's build together.